Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at the rOtring Tikky mechanical pencils. And I'm taking a look at these because I really like the rOtring multi-pens. And I was thinking that their mechanical pencils might be equally nifty. Now these, I got two versions of the same pencil. There's a red one and a blue one, and I wanted to take a look at both of them and just see how they looked. And let's see if I can get into this thing. And if you're interested in either of these, I'll include a link in the description to where you can find them on Amazon. They weren't very expensive. I want to say they were like maybe $5 or $7 each. So they're not super expensive as pencils go. Okay, well, it's kind of cool looking. It looks very similar to the other Tikky pens. And let's see, yeah. So that's the blue one, and let's take a look at the red one. These take the standard 0.5mm lead. And alright. Let's get this one open. This one should be the red one. Maybe this one's the red one. There you go. Alright, so I got the red one, which is a color choice that I personally am a big fan of, and the blue one. Let's open these things up and take a look at them. Alright, now, straight off the bat, I can tell you they feel like the Tikky ballpoint pens. So I mean, like, they're similar feel. They're relatively light, pretty much all plastic body. It's got kind of a little bit softer grip. And let's see. Alright, so this is the rOtring, and this is the Tikky 0.5mm pencils. Alright, so it's not bad as mechanical pencils go. As you can see from the slightly blurry sticker, it's made in China, which is just, you know, it's one of those things. It's got the usual cover for the eraser. I'm okay with the covers. I haven't generally. I'm rarely a fan of how mechanical pencils or multi-pens tend to handle the eraser issue, but not too bad. And they don't look awful. I mean, they're kind of neat, distinctive looking pencils. And like I said, they're pretty inexpensive. I don't know. They don't write too bad. Oops. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Have y'all tried these out? Do you like them, dislike them? Are they just kind of average? Let me know what you think. And if there's anything you think I should try out, also, you can include that in the comments. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check these two pens out, these two pencils out. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.